Hey guys, welcome to Proto Coders Point. Okay, so in this photo tutorial, we're gonna learn how to show a progress indicator on a button. So let's begin. So here I have created a simple demo app just as an intro of this tutorial. So when I press on the submit button, so you can see there is a loading indicator to inform the user that the data is getting loaded when the button is being pressed. Okay, so let's learn how to implement it. So let's go to our Android Studio. Okay, so now we are in our Android Studio and I have created a new Flutter project by name Flutter loading button, and for now it simply have an empty container under column widget. So let's create a elevated button over here. Okay, so I have just created an elevated button by name submit. So let's check this out. So you can see this is the button. Okay, so let's increase the size of this button. Okay, so the width of this button should match with the width of our mobile screen. So for that we will make use of a width property with a media query dot of context dot size dot width. Okay, so this command will take the available size of a mobile screen. So this will fit from here to here. So let's refresh. So you can check this. Okay, so let's give a height to this button. So let's say height of 60 pixels. Okay, so now you can see this is the size. So let's give some margin over here, padding. Okay, so for padding we will make use of a padding property with edge set dot only. I need padding from left and right of our button. So let's use left as 10 pixels and right as 10 pixels. Hot refresh. Okay, so now I need to show a progress bar when button is been pressed. For that I will just create a variable over here. Let's say boolean is loading, and initially we will set it to false, because when an app start I don't want to show a loading effect, so false. Okay, so by making use of this variable we can just show a progress bar in our button over here. Okay, so for that here is loading. If this is true, if it is true, then we will show a circular bar, circular progress indicator, and if it is false, then we will show our text, that is submit. Okay, so for now I will just change this variable to true. So let's check it. Hot refresh. Okay, so the progress bar is there. I need to change the color of the progress bar, color dot white. Hot refresh. So you can see there is a progress bar in this button. Okay, so now I need to give a functionality so that this variable gets changed when the button is been pressed. So in on press over here, set state. Okay, so here what we need to do is loading is equal to true. I need to make it true when the button is been pressed. So initially I need to set it to false. Let's make it. Okay, hot refresh. Okay, so now when I press on this button you can see a progress bar showing. So I need to stop this progress bar. So for that I will make use of a future delay, future dot delay duration. Set the duration in a seconds. So let's say 3 seconds. Let's create a function in this future delay, and after 3 seconds this function will get run. So inside this function I need to make this variable as false after 3 seconds. So let's copy it, paste it over here, false. Okay, hot refresh. Okay, so now when I press on this button, so you can see a progress bar for 3 seconds, and after 3 seconds this statement will get run. Over here I need to show a loading text. So for that, what we can do is we can just wrap this circular bar with a row widget, and inside row widget let's make it main axis alignment as center. Okay, and inside this I need to show a loading text. So okay, let's give a sized box with a width of 10 pixels. Okay, hot refresh. Now I will just press on this button, so you can see a loading text with a loading indicator. Okay, so this is the warning because after Flutter 2.5 they have added, this is a mandatory if we are loading or showing a data that is static. Okay, so you need to add this const keyword wherever your data is static. Okay, so that's all for this video tutorial. Hope you got the concept of how to show a loading button in Flutter. So thanks for watching. Please do subscribe Proto Coders Point. Thank you.